A question for Dr. Lewington as well, please. You mentioned the lutetium treatment was four doses, and you talked about how the radiation gets to the cells, but not so much about what happens when it gets there. So what I was wondering, is it a bit like taking antibiotics? You need to take all four. You need to take all four tablets or all four doses in this case to make sure you get the full effect, or how would you decide whether the fourth dose is worth doing?
It's really difficult. I think those centres that have pioneered lutetium therapy, particularly in the Netherlands, have over a long period of time come up with the regimen that they think is just enough to bring the tumour under control, but while minimising or reducing the risk of side effects. And they have come up with a magical number of 4 cycles of treatment. It isn't evidence-based. There have been no big randomised controlled trials. And so that makes it very difficult to say, in this case we'd have 3, in that case we'd have 4, etc., etc. I can't justify it at all. I can only describe best practice from centres who are doing a lot of it and have been doing a lot of it over a long period of time. One of the huge difficulties we have is that many of these drugs aren't licensed. And so true aficionados across the globe have been working very hard to improve services and to offer these treatments for their own patients. But they're all using their own particular peptide with their own particular isotope in their own particular way. And it makes it almost impossible then to compare results between different hospitals, although the patient population may be quite similar. Quite how they set about these treatments varies hugely. So in answer to your very specific question, is 4 better than 3? Probably, because that is the best opinion available from the team in Rotterdam who pioneered it.